Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to, I guess you could call this like an unboxing video, but I'm not unboxing anything. I'm basically unrolling something. Let me show you what I got. For today's video, guys, I'm going to show you what I recently acquired. It is a vintage roll of 1964 Kennedy half dollars from the Philadelphia Mint. These are 90% silver. These are actually the first year of the Kennedy half dollar and the only year they were 90%. From 65 to 70, they were composed of 40% silver. But these are beautifully uncirculated. I haven't looked at them yet, but what I did see when I peeked in here, check this out. The previous owner put aluminum foil on the ends. And the reason why they did that is to prevent toning. So I'm really expecting these to be beautiful. So I've got my gloves on, and let's see what we got here. I have a knife, but I don't know if I want to risk scratching them. So I'm just going to, I don't know if I should shake them out. You know what? I'm just going to tear. The roll itself, the wrapper itself, $10 in halves, Bank Products, New York. And you can see somebody wrote BU 1964P. Stands for Brilliant Uncirculated. And, you know, here's another sign, guys. Look at the Scotch tape or the transparent tape on here. That's just old. So that's telling me these coins have been in this roll for a long time. So let's take a look at them and see how they look. There's that aluminum foil I was telling you about. Oh! Oh my gosh, the whole thing. They're all wrapped in aluminum foil. I didn't know that. I thought it was just on the ends to prevent the enders from toning. Oh man, I have never seen that before. Check that out, guys. All right, well, now I'm very interested here. All right. Holy cow, I can't even find a place to start peeling. It's like it's fused. Okay, here we go. Realistically, these could have been encased in this foil for 57 years. That's awesome. Oh, wow. All right, here we go. I found... Look at that, huh? Let me get the foil out. I want to see them on a black background. Carefully here. They look pretty good to me. All right. Let's look at these guys one at a time here. Carefully. These guys haven't seen daylight in some time, I'm sure. Ooh. Can't get them to balance. Okay, here we go. Here's our first one. Boy. Yeah, they weren't kidding. That is beautifully untouched silver. Man. That's incredible. That's one. That's a good start, that's for sure. concerned about the lighting here. Let's see. Maybe that's a little bit better, huh? I don't want to... I have the light on in my phone here. There's another one. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm going to turn the flash off on my phone, guys. Give me a second. Alright. We're back, guys. Just trying to get a good shot here for everybody. And it's almost too bright. I wanted to make sure I had good lighting, but they're so bright. All right, there's the second one. Here's another one here. Wow. They are all just beautiful. Little smudge or scuffage or smuts on that one, but that's all right. Here's another one. Very cool. There's the other one. Wow, beautiful coins. These are definitely uncirculated. These are all from the Philadelphia Mint. The mint mark 464 is below the right eagle's claw, and there would be a D there if it was minted in Denver. But these are all Philadelphia. There's another one. I'm impressed with this. I'm very pleased. Beautiful coins. There's another one. I mean, these things look like NIFCs, like, you know, 2018s, 2019s that you'd find coin roll hunting. Couple more here. Beautiful. Guys, let me know in the comments. Do you want me to, you know, I mean, we're going to continue with the coin roll hunting videos, obviously, but sometimes you don't find anything. I don't want to show you guys a bunch of nothing. So would you guys be interested in, like, me doing some unboxing or silver purchases, showing you what I find or buy? Let me know in the comments. We try and do a little touch of everything. You know, we're not, you know, we're kind of broadening our horizons. We're still definitely doing precious metals and silver and coin collecting and stuff, but, you know, it's kind of turning into like a vlog as well, which is cool. And a lot of you guys have posted some really positive comments saying that, you know, you like that sort of thing. So there's another one. A couple more here to show. Boy, they are beautiful. Wow. And guys, depending on when this video goes up, I currently have a giveaway going on. It's only a 2-minute video, and it was kind of an impromptu one. I ordered some dinner. I got some dinner, and I want you guys to guess in the comments what I got. So at the end of this video, I'll link this one, or I'll link that video at the end of this. But yeah, here we go. Here's 20 beautiful uncirculated 1964 Philadelphia minted Kennedy half dollars. Guys, if you would be so kind to give this video a like, Drop me a comment, share it if you like, and check out our other fun videos. Remember, the other giveaway is still going on, and that's going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.